In the car repair shop, on the factory floor, and anywhere industrial machines are at work, supervisors ensure that mechanics, installers, and repairers work safely, accurately, and keep on schedule. These supervisors coordinate workers' activities and set their schedules and assignments. To make sure quality standards are met consistently, they review their team's performance and test out their repairs. Supervisors keep tabs on spending and regularly calculate the cost of materials, labor, and outside contractors. Supervisors of mechanics, installers, and repairers walk the floor to monitor work areas and equipment, make sure workers have the right tools and supplies, and provide safety training to prevent accidents and unsafe practices. When accidents occur, they investigate and write up reports. Supervisors of mechanics, installers, and repairers work in a wide variety of settings, including car repair shops, car dealerships, building equipment contractors, industrial machinery repair outfits, and electric power and natural gas utilities. Positions require a high school diploma or equivalent, technical training, or an associate's degree, along with previous related work experience.